We can also calculate the intersection of two sets. So the intersection will only take elements which are found in both sets. So let's say I equals to, now let's say odds, the intersection, let's say intersection of evens. Now instead of union, let us print I. So let's save this. Now if we print here, okay, we have an empty set here. You know why we have an empty set here? Let's check the odds and let's check the evens. There are no elements which are similar from both sets. That's why I've said earlier that the intersection will only take elements which are found in both sets. Okay, intersection of odds to primes. Now if we save this and print it here, we have 3, 5 and 7. This is for sure. Here we have these numbers and we found them here. Now let's try to check the intersections of evens and primes. Let's say intersection of evens here, and then we check for primes here. Also we have just the 2, so this is found in both sets. Okay,